Okay, guys. So in today's session, we will see where this application is getting installed and we will see the log file for Win32 application. So Zoom application, it's getting installed, right? As you see, it is installed, but we are not able to find the application. So this application is basically getting into the user profile. Uh, okay. Uh, Let me see whether we are able to see it in C drive.
No,
Uh,
if you type in the run command percentile app data, zoom uninstall installer.exe.
Percent app data
Yeah,
and then percent.
or percent. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Then
yeah. Zoom, it should be there. Zoom.
Zoom is
It
not
is
here.
maybe you,
Yeah, Kashif, we had the same issue in our organization also.
In
Mm-hmm.
roaming,
It, Zoom is providing a
that's
uninstaller like Clean Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
It is an application. We are downloading it and we are deploying it as a mandatory to uninstall the Zoom application. So whenever user needs to join the meeting, it will show the option in the browser to download the latest one.
Okay.
So we are using
Now
that
here,
process.
wait a minute. Here, what is the problem? I'll tell you. The first thing first, we have to verify. We did not verify the application. However, it is getting installed, but it is getting installed in the backend somewhere. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's install this application manually to see. So from where you downloaded this application, let me go to the Edge browser. Zoom download. Is this the one we downloaded?
yes, sure.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. You see it got installed, but when I right click on this and open file location where it got installed, it is installing in C user Ramya ready app data roaming, Microsoft Windows start. Oh, okay. Right click and then properties. It's under roaming and zoom and bin and zoom. Okay. Roaming and then zoom. Roaming and then zoom and then bin. Okay. So it is a user level application, guys. This is not a device level application. That is the reason it is installing on system account, because when you have added this application, let me show you. You will see the problem now. The problem is install behavior. You have given system account, but actually this application gets installed with user level. What is happening? It is installing Zoom, but it is installing on the system profile. So that is, I mean, it is installing with this system account. So it is installing for system account, not for you. That's the reason it is getting installed and not you are not able to see that application. Are you able to see the problem?
Yes.
So you will have to change, either you download the one which is the MSI one, or which can be deployed for, you know, which needs admin rights to do the installation. Either you download that version of Zoom or you choose user one. Okay,
Okay.
then the problem will be solved. Because this one is We cannot make changes into this one. You will have to delete this application and create it again. But in that one, you have to choose user, not system. Then you will not face any problem. Okay. Or
Okay.
download, or I'll show you. I think I gave you the incorrect one. So you can download Zoom MSI one, Zoom MSI installer, which you can deploy with admin rights. This one, Zoom 64-bit installer. This is the one. Okay. This one. Okay, guys. So in today's session, I'm going to show you the log file and also the locations where the files are getting downloaded. Okay. Where the file will get downloaded. And what happens with the uh, file download. For example, let me quickly. Okay, so I downloaded this Zoom MSI one, right? This is the file. So I'm gonna take this one and upload this into Intune portal. So apps and then Windows, add. We will use the line of business application. No, I'm not gonna use line of business application because I would like for line of business application, we don't get any log file. We get the event viewer and the registry, to check whether the installation happened or not. But for log file, I need to go with Win32 app. Select. So I'll select the application which we have just downloaded. Download folder. Where did I download the file? Zoom. Oh, okay. Sorry, I have to convert the file first since it is a Win32, right? So I'm gonna cut this from here and go to the source folder, the exe application source folder, and then I'm gonna create, inside Zoom folder. Let me paste this one and delete this one, the one which you had downloaded before. Okay, now can you convert this application?
Yes.
Yeah, open command prompt with admin. CD space, right click, enter. No. Setup file. Oh, is it
I
asking
need
for
to
the?
give source file.
Oh, you have okay. You have not given. Okay, yeah. Give the source file. Sorry. Now setup file. Okay, the file is ready now. Minimize this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we can monitor the log file in this example. So let me add this file that is under Intune Training, exe application output folder, and then Zoom. So here we can give all the details. For example, it is gonna be Zoom. Select logo of the application. Okay, click OK. Now you need to click on OK. Okay, now next. Now this is added automatically, so I don't have to do it. Now in the last example, uh, which I was mentioning, you basically for that Zoom application, you have to choose a user because that application, when we installed the application, it did not ask for admin rights. It got installed on the user level. So you have to give user level. So that's the reason the testing comes into the picture. When you test it, you will get to know whether it is getting installed on user level or device level or what. Okay. Now, similarly, you have to do the testing for this one as well. I have tested it already. So I'm going to go with system level because we would like to install for all the users. And this application, when you are installing, it is going to ask for admin rights. Okay. But in the last example, the previous one, you have to go with user. Then only it will show up after the installation. Next. Next. Okay, next. Dependency. Next. We are going to deploy as required mode, for example. Let's see. And also I'll make it available. Okay. So this application is now added. Now the one which you had deployed earlier, I'm going to delete that one. Zoom, the old one. Uh, date created. I think this one is the old one. Let me delete the old one. Oh, you have the dependency, right? The dependency with which one? The
Yeah,
Zoom, right? Sorry, 7-zip.
7. Other one, Kashif, 7-zip, other one, not that one.
Huh?
The other one, 7-zip. We
Okay.
installed two, right? The older version and new
Yes.
version. The second one.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. Yes, yes. This one. So properties, and we have the dependency here. Let me edit the dependency. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete the Zoom application, the one which we had created on 17th of November. Delete. Okay. So now on this machine, uh, where is the location to uninstall? Okay, right now we don't have Zoom application installed on this machine. We have removed it. Okay, Zoom is gone. So Zoom will come. But before it comes, I'll show you the log file. Okay, so how the log file will get generated. So that for the log file, we have to go to C drive, and then do we
Program.
have the log? Do we have the log on the? Yes, we have the log on the desktop itself. C drive, program data, Microsoft, and then Intune management extension and logs. This is the location for Intune log file location, guys. And in this one, you have to open this Intune management extension log. So this is the log file plus the location where it will get downloaded. So it will download, the file will get downloaded. I'll show you. First of all, the file will come in uh, 1 minute. Drive. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the location for both the application types. Chat window, yes, and I gave it to you. Okay, so for Win32, it is gonna download in C program files x86 and Intune Microsoft Intune management extension. So let me go to C program files x86, Microsoft Intune management extension, and then content. Okay, and then incoming. So first the file will come into incoming folder. Then the file will go into the staging folder. Okay, staging, this one. And then the file will go to IME cache, C Windows IME cache. So I'll open all these three folders one by one. Staging, staging, staging. Okay. So first file will come into, you see something. So first the file will come into incoming folder, and then file will come into the staging, and then IME cache. Windows, inside Windows, IME cache. This one. So these are the three locations, guys. Okay. So one by one, I'll explain that to you. So first the file will come into incoming folder. Then file will go to the Intune staging folder. Okay. Okay, let me keep it like this. I'm getting very tiny screen here. So 1, 2, 3. So the first one is the one where the file will come. Second is the staging, and the third is IME cache. Okay. So first one, it's gonna come in this folder. Number 1. Okay. Number 2, it's gonna come in staging folder. And number 3, it's gonna come in. Now, first one, when the file will come, it will be in encrypted format. And then in the second folder, it is gonna unzip the file, decrypt the file basically. And then finally the file will go into this one, and it will then get deleted from these locations. Okay, let's see. So we have to synchronize because also the log file. Okay, so the log file. I'm gonna synchronize the policy. We have deployed the application or not yet? Hmm?
We did.
We did to all the devices, right? Okay. Let me synchronize it one more time. Ah, there you go. Zoom. So you see, Zoom is coming first here, and then it extracted here, right? Second, and now the third, it is gonna come in IME cache, and then the installation will happen, and it will get the installation done. You see, now it's going to this IME cache. If you open that, you will see Zoom you see Zoom installer. So one by one, once it is installed, it will get deleted from the first one as well. Okay, it's gone from all three folders and it is successfully installed. Did you guys understand the process of installation?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so first it goes to this folder, right? Then it goes to this folder, and then finally the file comes into the decrypted format into IME cache. And you see Zoom application got installed here, right here. Zoom. Now we will see the log file. The log file. So let me find Zoom, okay? So you see 7-zip. No, this is the other one. Can you press F3 on the keyboard?
Yes.
F3?
Yeah.
Nothing happens? Okay,
No.
no worries. No worries. Hmm. Content request, this Zoom 64. Content cache started downloading 3:13, 3:15. Yes, 2 minutes back. Okay, so it's downloading from where? From this location. But before I do that, let me take you up on the top. Now find uh, Zoom with the product code. I can find it. Let me go back and Zoom 64, right? So it's a Zoom 64 application, and properties. Fine. This is the GUID. Okay, so Control F and zoom. Let me find. This is 17th date, right? So this is the old one, the one which we deleted. Again, Control F and find. There's still the old one. Okay, this is date is 18th. Control F and the find. This is the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. As you see, this is for get policy, right? Then no, it's 7-zip application. 1 minute. Product code. No, not this one. Wait a minute. Control F. 3 right now 3:18, right? So let me go to 3:15. Zoom 64-bit. Yes, this is the one. And it basically started download content info request, and it has to download this application since we deployed this application as a required mode. Okay, so we can also find with this one, Zoom 64. Let me see. Content cache started downloading, as you see. From where? From this link, it started downloading. Then control F, find downloading app. Okay, it's downloading. See downloading, then downloading. Okay, downloading report. Control F. So Control F. Okay, after downloading, it will show you as where it is downloading the destination. As you see, it is going in incoming folder, right? That's the first thing where it will download, and then it will go to the staging folder. So downloading app. Okay. After downloaded, it will say decrypting. You see, decryption is successfully done, right? It is decrypting the file. Okay, and where it is it has decrypted, it will also show you the location. So it is now going to the staging folder. As you see, it is unzipping the file into the staging folder. Okay, So that is done. After down staging folder, it will go to the IME cache. But before it is done, it first do the detection. As you see, detecting and detection is false. Completed detection manager and it is false. Check the product code and cannot find application detected false. It did not find the application. That means application is not yet installed on this device. After that, in handler invoked with execution install for the policy. So it is basically going for the installation. Then it is putting the file into this folder, IME cache, right? And after installation, it will say exit code 0. It is using this command line, zoom msi exec/I zoom installer full.msi q1 all user 1, and then last Win32 error 0 after create process, and it created create installer process successfully. Okay. And it says IP exit code 0. Installation is done. Okay. Getting background noise. Installation is done. And again, it will do the detection after installation. But before it is going to do that, it will delete the files. You see, removing content from this folder, right? Cleaning up a stage folder, right? So it is basically deleting the file from those location. And after that detection, the detection will come as enforce as detected and completed detection, and it is coming as true. Previously it was false, now it is coming as true. So before the installation it detects and it did not find the application, and after installation it detects again. So completed. So this application is installed successfully. Are you guys clear with this?
Yep.
Yes, Kasif.
So that is the complete log file I showed you. So in today's session, we couldn't do much, guys. Today is 20th November. Win32 application, download location and log file. Okay. To the download location, first the file goes to incoming folder, then the staging folder, and then IME cache. And log file name, the one which you have to follow, log file location, that is okay, that is this one. Okay, guys, clear?
Yes.
And you will also be able to see this zoom in the registry. Last time you were not able to see it in the registry because it was going in the user in the system profile somewhere. So here I'm gonna show you where it comes. Oh, I have to refresh. Sorry. Refresh it. Now we will be able to get it. Find. You got it? Zoom application registry location. It is in SK local machine software, Microsoft Windows current version uninstall. And this is the product. Basically, you need the product code. That's it. Command line, you can add it yourself. MSI exec space /x for the uninstallation. So you needed what? The product code, the GUID. This GUID, you can get it either from this uninstall string, right? Or this is the one. It's the same thing. Okay. All good, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So you guys also check the log file, deploy some application and check the log file. The one which I showed you. Sapna, you send this to everyone, the today's topic. We'll meet tomorrow, guys.
Kasif,
Hmm.
hello.
Yes.
Yeah. For me, I can't copy the files to the virtual machine from desktop. So can you please guide me like
You are doing Oracle VirtualBox.
Oracle VirtualBox?
Okay, so drag and drop.
Okay.
Drag and drop. Share your screen. Let's see. Naveen, share your screen.
One second, I'm connecting the Windows. It's not connecting in Windows. It's taking some time. Tomorrow we can.
Okay, bye. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.